This is the first fully custom developed system to hot wax a chain. We are here in Leuven in Belgium and we're visiting Comate. They're a product engineering design company and they helped us make the new performance heater. We worked with them for over a year and we're now picking up the very first working prototypes. Come along. I'm super proud that we're standing here next to a model that we've put into the market. It looks like a very simple device, but it took so much engineering, and that the fact that it's simple now and it works, that's super cool.
Simple products are hard to make, and takes a lot of time to get to something simple, indeed.
That's something I know.
You learned.
I learned. One of the big things that we changed is the ease of use, the usability. I want to touch upon some points that we improved the usability, made it a lot more easy to hot wax a chain. First thing is the spool. So we came up with this design where you loop the chain inside the spool, and there is no wrong or right way, there's just one way you can do it. And so that's amazing that we've pulled this off. It's a very simple way to prep your chain for waxing.
Because now the only thing we need to do is take the spool, put it on top of the wax, and then start the device. One push on the button and it starts automatically.
Another thing that we've tackled is what you do with your quick link. Like if you're waxing, your quick link is just lying around. So we wanted to eliminate the fact that you can lose it. So we included here a placeholder for the quick link with a
magnet inside, and it's a perfect add-on to the usability of this device.
Yeah, I'm really enthusiastic about that magnet inside. It's a small detail, but it's important because the quick link is a very important part of your chain. And then, of course, the one push of a button cycle that is also awesome. You just place your chain on top of the wax, you press the button once, and then a whole cycle starts automatically. It starts heating up, the wax melts, your chain goes inside, and then a vibrating motor starts working, and it literally shakes out the dirt from inside your chain, and then it all switches off. It just almost set and forget, and that's a big improvement from where we're coming from.
Well, over the course of the development, we noticed that we had three main requirements, like it should be fast, the heating up, but on the other hand, the wax should not go above 120 degrees, and we should get that chain at 80 degrees so that we have the good quality of waxing and re-waxing of the chain. So we had to incorporate two sensors inside, and they both get the data to be able to wax quickly, so we know when we start the shaking process, and to also avoid any damage to the wax and the quality of the wax.
So what we've improved here is not only the usability, but also the way it waxes a chain. We've included a vibrating motor at the inside, so the whole basket, the whole inside of this is vibrating, this whole platform. So that literally shakes out all the dirt from inside the chain. That improves the quality of the waxing a lot. Furthermore, you don't have to do it manually, it's all automatically. So it waxes the chain in a horizontal position, but once you take the chain out, you let it drip out, you let it cool down in a vertical position. And that way, all the wax is evenly distributed over the whole width of each link. So we know that each link has the same amount of wax inside. Besides that, this system is also the fastest system on the market. The way that we heat up the wax is the fastest way possible without overheating the wax. What we do right here is we heat up the chain as fast as possible, but still in a controlled way so that the wax doesn't overheat.
Yeah.
And any second, third or fourth chain you want to do is waxed at a faster rate.
If you don't wait and you just put it in, it will take the shortest amount possible to reach that sweet spot of chain temperature and to then start the waxing process. And then the vibration is a good system. You want to shake everything. That's what you actually do today also with the chain. You swivel it around, you need to make those chains move so that you have that circulation of wax inside of it. So seemed to be the best way. We had quite a challenge finding the right motor to do so. finding the settings, but eventually we are there.
So this system is also way more travel friendly. We have a lot of customers that are like traveling, for example triathletes that go all over the world to do their races. And this system has two major benefits. First, if you want to take the system with you, it's more compact than the original heater that we have, but it's also dual voltage. So wherever you are in the world, even a 220 volt or 110 volt, it will work everywhere if you just use the correct travel adapter. Your chain is also neatly packaged inside this spool. So you can just wax your chains at home and throw them all in your bag. So easy to travel thanks to the spool and thanks to the dual voltage. Ultrasonic is a big thing in cycling, but we deliberately chose not to use ultrasonic. Why did we do that, Alexander?
We wanted a very good wax quality, and we are able to achieve it with a vibrating motor. It might clean a little bit better with ultrasonic, but it wouldn't be that fast, it wouldn't be that compact. So this is the best product for the best quality.
No, that's why we chose practicality and usability over that marginal gain. We did all sorts of adaptations to make it better and more suitable for chain waxing, because it was not intended for chain waxing in the first place. From the beginning, we had the idea, the dream of creating a hot wax heater of our own, a wax heater that is specifically intended to wax chains. We wanted really the best of the best, and that's why we came to Comate to collaborate on this project. And I'm super happy that that this is on the market right now. So
indeed.
It took over a year to create this device, but I'm holding a real one in my hands right now. It's working. It came from an idea, but this is a real working device. It's the first hot waxing device for chains, and I'm super proud that we did this. I'm super proud that we can bring this to the market and help so many cyclists hot wax their chain in a more easy way.